Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video we will be learning how to log into your existing PlayStar account. To log in and sign into PlayStar, the first thing to do is to launch open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in playstar.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for PlayStar. Go to the upper right hand corner and click on the login button from the main official website. In the login area, type in your username and password associated with your account. If you don't remember your username and password, get help by clicking on Forgotten Username or Password link and follow through the on-screen instructions. After filling in the details, click Login and you will then be able to sign into your PlayStar account in just a few minutes. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.